Hello, and welcome to our video series on maximizing your WIC food benefits. Today, we're focusing on tofu options available for you and your family. Tofu is a great source of protein and an excellent meat alternative in meals. Let's review how to use your eWIC benefits to buy tofu. Imagine your family balance summary shows 2 pounds of tofu, issued and available. You could buy any texture of calcium-set tofu, soft, medium, firm, or extra firm, in 14 to 16-ounce packages, including organic tofu. For example, you could buy 2 16-ounce packages of tofu. You can view your food balance in the EasyWIC app under the eWIC card balance section. The amounts will update as you make purchases. For information on the WIC-approved brands, view the food list in the EasyWIC app or on the website at azwicfoodlist.com. Check your family balance summary or the EasyWIC app for your specific food balance, as tofu may not be included in every package. We hope this information will improve your grocery shopping experience. If you have any questions about food items while shopping, contact the Arizona WIC Shoppers Helpline at 1-866-927-8390 or email at azwicshoppershelpline@azdhs.gov. For questions about the food list or how to use your eWIC benefits, contact your local WIC clinic.